Hello guys, so today I just woke up and I will be going to the wet market to find and buy some stocks of goods. So ubos na yung stocks natin. So come with me as I prepare to go to the wet market. So the first thing I usually do is to wash my face and brush my teeth. Yes. Ay. It's currently 6 or 7 in the morning. So, kailangan maaga tayo dahil ubusan pagdating ng 9 or 10. Grabe. So, while I prepare, I just want to share my experience in one of my sections, the art of So, in our art of we have various lessons that they teach. When I started art of I really don't know the concept of it because I'm not a fan of arts. And yeah, it's really hard for me to draw. And I really don't appreciate arts, in short. So, as we go further with our meeting in Art Aptly, I noticed that I already enjoying the class. Maybe it's because of the prof, or maybe it's because of the lesson. I don't know. I just know that I enjoyed the span of Art Aptly. So in Art Aptly, we have various lessons, and there are 3 lessons that I really liked. It's the art assessing, art censorship, and art and social issues. So art assessing, I like it because it is the start of where I progress and started to enjoy the degree. Second, it's the art censorship. It's particularly it's an art or an act where influencers being vulgar. It's like, is art should be censored or uncensored? Like that. So, lastly, the art and social issues. So, basically, the social issues is shared by art. People do art and they mean it by the social issues. So, yeah. While we do our class in Art Apply, we have various activities too. So, one of it is having the bank points. So, basically, the bank points do sinusuklay ko. Sinusuklay ko ito. So, basically, the bank points do is fill out the activities that you didn't perfect. So, if may isa kang activity na hindi mo na perfect, yung bank points yung mag-fill up na. So, it makes everyone has a chance to have high grades because of it. Dahil choice mo naman yun kung mag-ipon ka ng bank points mo, magiging active ka sa klase. Second, meron kaming museum visits. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko dahil ito yung pinaka-favorite ko dahil nagkaroon ako ng chance na lumabas para mag-visit ng mga museum. So, pumunta ako ng 3 museums. Tatlong museums. So, first, what is this? Parang dog food. Ano ba? Parang kayo papakita. Parang dog food. Ayun. Pumunta ako ng una ng MCAT. Yun yung nakalocate sa school namin. So, pumunta kami nun, sarado. So, ang pinunta na lang namin, yung... Wait, kukunin ko yung salamin ko. Kasi hindi ko kalimutin. So, pinuntahan na lang namin yung mga famous spots sa campus namin, which are the Death Mask, the Balaklit, the Karayom, Dr. Karayom, ayun. So next, pumunta din ako na Ayala Museum, kaya lang, dahil ang mahal ng admission niya sa lahat ng floor, pumunta na lang ako sa ano, sa may 4th floor. Yun ata yung pinakamurang floor doon. So next, after ng dalawang yun, pumunta ako ng National Museum of Fine Arts. So doon, nung time na yun, hinahanap ko yung Spolarium. Wala siya, sarado dahil may event. Yata. May event yung time na yun, so hindi ko siya nakita. Pero, nonetheless, marami namang ibang arts doon. Na, ano, yung 4th floor, alam ko yung puro pambata, makukulay na arts doon. Tapos yung the other rest, about sa culture, sa history. Masaya. Kasi, hindi ko alam kung first time ko pumunta doon or pumunta na ako doon ng bata ako dahil sa mga field trip. Pero, hindi ko maalala. Pero ngayon ko lang siya na-intindihan. Ngayon ko lang siya na-appreciate. So, next. Parang parang lang ito. Or hindi. Hindi eh. So, ano to? Mystery ng snack pack. Wait. Mas parang mas malaki pa. So, lastly. Uy! Hala, ang sarap. So, next, kung activity na nagustuhan ko isa pa is, siguro yung part na gumawa kami ng, yung creative response, nagustuhan ko din. Kasi, pumili kami ng artist of our choice, then ng artwork niya. Tapos, pumili kami ng artist, ng artwork, then yun namin. It's either gagayahin namin or gagawa kami ng creative response about dun sa artwork or either mag-mimic kami or against. So, ang ginawa kasi doon, parang naging museum yung room namin dahil, di ba, lahat kami merong activity. May mga output kami. So, yung prof namin, si Sir Oscar, pinalagay niya, ang setup kasi ng room namin, every table, andun yung output namin, yung explanation about the output namin, bakit ganito yung ginawa namin. Ganon. So, naging mini museum yung room. So, ang saya kasi umikot kami sa room. So, kita namin yung mga activities ng iba. Tapos yung nagboto kami ng 10 best and 10 least. Ayun. Everyone did a good job. So, ang sasabi ko lang sa art apply namin, I really hope hindi nila tanggalin yun as subject. And sana, every course, ma-experience yung subject na gano'n. Kung pwede lang, ma-experience din nilang maging prof si Sir Oscar. Dahil matututo ka sa kanya. Mag-grow ka as a student, as a person, dahil matututo kang mag-record without scripts, without manuscripts. Matututo kang maka-appreciate ng arts. Dahil makikita mo sa kanya yung dedication niya as a prof. So, ayun lang guys. So, anong ginawa ko? Kumain na ako ng makeup. Gusto ko lang sabihin na sana hindi matanggal yung art at dahil deserve ng bawat college students na ma-experience yung klase na yan. Or at least, ma-experience na magturo si Sir Oz. So, promise, first day akala ko magiging boring yung klase. Magiging like parang hindi ko ma-appreciate yung class dahil Dahil nga arts, hindi yung mahilig. Pero, after that, yun lang. Parang, after that, gusto ko na pumasok sa kanya. Although kasi ang class ko sa 6 to 9, so right after yung PE ko, so nakakapagod. Pero, still, worth it pumasok sa kanya dahil walang sessions na naging boring. So yun lang guys, I'm ready to go to the vet market. Tayo na't bumili ng isda. Bye guys, thank you for watching and sana na-share ko ng maayos yung about sa art of din namin dahil deserve lahat ng tao malaman yung about doon. Bye guys!